Popeye.
Hello. I was looking for Carnell.
Oh, well, she hasn't come back yet.
Oh.
I would like to see her.
Yeah?
Of course, I don't know when she's coming back here or what.
Oh.
Would you like to wait here for her?
Sure. All right. Peanut?
Thanks. So you'll be leaving Brookhaven.
I reckon.
It's funny, because I'm leaving here too.
You is? Where's you planning on going?
I was planning on going to New Orleans, go back to university and learn to be a philosopher. That way, after I've had time to study and think it all through, I can tell everybody just why we're living. It'll be a great relief. I believe. Where are you planning on going?
Well, I don't know the particulars, but a place by the name of Elysian Fields.
Elysian Fields?
Yeah, well, they got this wine and honey and ambrosia and people carrying on. Do you know what state it's located in?
It isn't located in the state.
It ain't?
No, it isn't even in this world. It's a made-up place. It's fictional. It's only in books and stories.
Well, shoot, guess I won't be going there.
Oh, there you are. Right on the nose, you punctual little thing. Do you like my bow?
It becomes you.
Isn't he sweet? Well, come on. Let's go and see the fireworks. Well, do tell your friend goodbye. Let's head out.
Tessie?
Yes?
I can't go with you to the fireworks tonight.
Oh, you can't?
No, I told Papa I'd go with her. I'm sorry. I tried to tell you this afternoon.
Oh, I see. I see. I turn the other cheek and you slap it too. You're unworthy and ungrateful and low and dirty and mean. Why, I'm never going to forgive you again. Never! I hope you write an H.
Why could lie to her?
What?
You told her you promised to go see the fireworks with me.
Oh, well, I just didn't want to go to see the fireworks with her, and you can't go around obliging other people in this world.
Oh.
Of course, I would like to go see the fireworks. They always have a nice, colorful display. You were, I don't know, planning on going to see the fireworks yourself?
Yes, that's why I brought my binoculars. I got me a place picked out and everything.
Oh. Well, I don't guess you...
Huh?
No. Never mind. I'll be seeing you.